Have you ever felt like you're always one step behind everyone else? Maybe your friends seem to learn faster, move faster, and achieve more while you're still trying to catch up. But what if the problem isn't your talent, your luck, or your intelligence? What if it's simply how you've trained your brain? Psychologist William James, often called the father of American psychology, once said, "The greatest discovery of my generation is that a human being can alter his life by altering his attitudes." Think about that for a moment. Your brain is not fixed. It is constantly changing based on what you repeatedly do. Scientists call this neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself through experience. This means you can train your brain to become faster, sharper, and more focused. The first habit that keeps people behind is waiting. Waiting for motivation. Waiting for the perfect moment. Waiting until they feel ready. Successful people understand something different. Action comes before motivation. Your real competition isn't other people. It's the person you were yesterday. Improve by 1% every day, and those small gains will eventually become massive results. The third habit is avoiding discomfort. Your brain loves comfort because it saves energy, but growth happens when you challenge yourself. Learning a new skill, speaking up, exercising, or tackling difficult problems forces your brain to adapt and grow stronger. Neuroscientists have found that new challenges create new neural connections. In simple terms, difficult things literally help build a better brain. So if you want to stop being last, remember these 3 rules. Stop waiting, stop comparing, stop avoiding challenges. Train your brain through action, consistency, and growth. Because the people who move ahead aren't always the smartest. They're often the ones who train their minds to keep going when others stopped. And today could be the day you start doing the same. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe,